Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we are going to do part 4 of the Office Amazon KDP keyword niche. And all of the keywords, I'm going to be sharing with you a total of 8 keywords for today. All of the keywords will be used for the 7 keyword slots. They're not to be used for the title, they're not to be used for the subtitle, they are only to be used for the 7 keyword slots for any of the books that you're going to create for the Office Planner niche. Some of the keywords will have higher search results, some of them will have slightly higher bestseller ranks. This is totally normal, but they all fit the metrics for being suitable and perfect for the 7 keyword slots. So if you're looking for 7 keyword slots for the Office Planner niche, this video is for you. So before we get started, I've got 2 free trials for Canva Pro as well as Creative Fabrica. Take advantage of these 2 free trials for 30 days. You'll be able to trial them out and know if it's for your business or not. So you can continue. If you choose not to do so, just simply cancel before the free trial is up and you will not be charged a cent. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Nora and we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords with low competition, high demand. Also anything from low content books to medium content to high content books, strategies that I follow, everything's covered in the channel. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be informed on all our new daily videos. So let's get started with the first keyword out of the 8 keywords for the 7 keyword slots. And our first one is Office Planner Organizer, and this is a fabulous keyword to use as part of the 7 keyword slots for any book in relation to it being a office planner. So we've got a really strong keyword niche score of 95 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension and a total results of 7,845. Now usually when it comes to any keyword with this kind of metrics, that is for the title or subtitle, I go to anything that is 5,000 and below, the lower better. But in this case, we're talking about 7 keyword slots. So this is absolutely amazing for that. We've also got a really good keyword niche score by Amazon's Cat Pro number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche and also a really good bestseller rank for this keyword, averaging 21,499. And it's below 100,000. We've got an average reviews of 845 and an average price of $12.51. Scrolling down, a lot of really good books that are selling without being sponsored as well. And we've got a couple of really good ones on the first page with a bestseller rank of under 100,000, which is ideal, as you can see right over here. So if you currently have any book that is sitting in your portfolio for the Office Planner niche, start adding these keywords in there and you will see the results. I promise you that, because this is a strategy that I've used time and time again. I go ahead every 2 to 3 months. I update my 7 keyword slots, especially for the books that are not selling as much as I want them to, or they're not bringing in the results that I have determined for them. This is a strategy to be used to really help with paused sale books as well. So let's talk about the second keyword that you can use for the 7 keyword slots, and this one is Office Planner for Women. We've got a really good high keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension of 92. Also, Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 8,895. The bestseller rank is 19,983, which is below 100,000. The reviews are 837, and the price is average $10.27. So if you currently have any planner that's for the office for women, start adding this keyword for your 7 keyword slots. And what I love about this is that there is no year indicated, so it's not specifically towards a specific year, because one of the pros was, look, one of the cons, one of the downsides of having a book published for, let's say, for example, 2025 or 2024, once that year is up, if that is in your title, you will not be able to change that book. It will always be giving an outdated look and feel to it, because there's that outdated year number or month or whatever it is in there that cannot be changed. So please try to avoid creating books specifically for the year numbers, because once that year is up, it's really going to be quite difficult to sell again and again unless there's something very, very unique about that specific book that cannot be replicated. Let's have a look at our third keyword for the day, and it is Office Planner Notebook with a new keyword niche score of 61 by Self-Publishing Titans and a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, we have them sitting at 13,494. Average bestseller rank is below 100,000, and it's sitting at 30,062. Average reviews 895. Average price $9.86. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well. As you can see here, 2,000, 3,000. We've got also 2,000 here, 1,000 here, 14,000, 1,900, all below 100,000 as the bestseller rank. So if you currently have a plan or a notebook, go ahead and update your keywords for this keyword right here. Heading to the keyword number 4, we have Office Planner Kit. Office Planner Kit has a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which beautifully matches the info and the data that we have here by Self-Publishing Titans. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the 30 given by Titans, the score, because it contradicts this data. Number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro matches the data I have right here. Total results sitting at 5,337. Bestseller rank 67,128. Average review 717. Average price is $22.76. So all and anything to do with Office Planner Kit. So think about organizers. Think about if you have, for example, digital stickers, or if you have anything to do with planning the office, if you have little mini pocket size calendars that can be placed on the desk. I know some people sell them at sized 8.5 times 8.5 inches as well. That's something that you can go ahead and utilize this wonderful keyword for. Heading to keyword number 5, we've got Office Planner Desk, and this is specifically for the office. Now, I really like this keyword because it's a beautiful short tail keyword that has amazing potential. As you can see here, we've got a really high keyword niche score of 95 given by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. The results also beautifully matched. Total results 8,947. Average bestseller rank below 100,000. Sitting at 16,632. Average reviews are 1,039. Average price is $11.36. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 4 given by Amazon Scout Chrome extension, because it does not match the data that we have right here. 95 beautifully correlates with this data, and they work together really nicely as well. And it's really important to activate all 4 Chrome extensions that I've talked about, because you're going to have some data sets, and once the data matches on all ends, it's really nice. But there is going to be some cases where one data set is stronger than the other, so you just need to sit down and compare. So okay, is it worth it for me just to leave all these beautiful results right here that fit the metrics for these 7 keyword slots and just go ahead with this solely and decide that this is a weak niche based on what the score here is? No, it doesn't make sense, because this is overpowering right here. Really good keyword niche score, total results within the range that we want to be for a 7 keyword slots if the other metrics are met. Now, usually I don't take this into account when it comes to the title or subtitle, because for me, its total results 8,947 is quite high for the title or subtitle keywords. But because this is a 7 keyword slots, I don't want to have to overlook it, and I do see potential right over here. Comment in the comment section if you agree with me as well. And then again, I'm working on it on some metrics that you can see right in front of you that all fit the profitability metrics that we've indicated earlier on in the channel. Diving into the next keyword, we've got Office Planner Calendar 2025. Amazing keyword. Utilize it while you're still at it in 2025 before the year is up. We've got a really strong and solid keyword niche score of 92 by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. We also have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Total results are 5,119 and bestseller rank is 10,725, which is below 100,000. Average reviews are sitting at 703 and average price is $10.16. Now, this is one of the keywords that you can either use for the 7 keyword slots, or you can even get away with using for the subtitle as well. Although it does have the year 2025, and I don't really recommend that because you're not able to change the title or the subtitle for as far as I know, but it does fit the slight metrics for the subtitle in a way. Then again, great keyword, great potential, the Office Planner Calendar 2025. Let's head to keyword number 7 right over here with Office Planner and Notebook. We've got a keyword niche score of 59, a keyword niche score of number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. The total results are 13,438. Average bestseller rank below 100,000, sitting at 31,877. Average reviews 654. Average price is $8.98 for this wonderful keyword right here for both an office planner and a notebook style as well. Heading to the lucky last keyword for the day, we have Office Planner 2025. Please don't sleep on this keyword. There is amazing potential right here. Use this while you still can in 2025. Once 2025 is up, all you need to do is go in, update your 7 keyword slots for this keyword, remove it and add in whatever keyword is trending or whatever keyword has potential for maybe the year 2026. Of course, do your research before you do. We've got a really strong keyword niche score of 95 and the total results is 5,820. Average results is 22,707. Average reviews 626. Average price is $13.70. The keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro also perfectly matches the data given by Titans, and they've given us a number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now we've come towards the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the subscribe button. I hope you take advantage of these beautiful 8 keywords for the 7 keyword slots for the Office Planner niche. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. All the best. Bye bye.